have a concave mirror that has a focal length of 40 centimeters. Determine the object position for which the resulting image is upright and 4 times the size of the object. So we're looking for S. That's what we want to know. Object position, implying how far is the object from the mirror. That's important information. Upright. What mathematically tells us our image is upright?
We're inside the focal length.
We are going to be inside the focal length, but focal length, yes. But mathematically, when you get a final answer, what about the answer tells you it's upright? Positive magnification. So we have a magnification that's positive. If the image is 4 times the size of the object, it's 4 times bigger than the object, then our magnification is 4. So that information tells us our magnification is equal to positive 4. We have an equation. We know magnification is negative S prime over S. So S prime will be negative 4S. So that means S prime, whatever numerical value you solve for it, is going to be negative. Which should make sense. The concave mirror only gives us upright images that are bigger if they're virtual. Okay? So it should make sense to have a negative S prime value. We also know that 1 over S plus 1 over S prime is equal to 1 over F. So we have 2 equations. We have 2 unknowns. We're looking for, oh sorry, that's prime. We are looking for S. So in place of S prime, let's plug in negative 4S. We know F. Guess I could plug that in right now if I want. 40 centimeters. Let's get a common denominator. So 4. So we basically have 4 over 4S minus 1 over 4S. And that equals 1 over 40 centimeters. 4 minus 1, 3. So we have 3 over 4S is equal to 1 over 40 centimeters. So cross multiplying, 3 times 40, 120 centimeters. 4S times 1, 4S. So S must be 30 centimeters. Exactly right. So this means this is our mirror. Our object is placed 30 centimeters in front of the mirror. We could easily tell you where the image shows up now too. S prime is negative 4S. S prime, negative 4 times 30, negative 120. Questions?
So that means the actual image is actually quite a bit behind you. The virtual image is behind that.
The virtual image is behind the mirror. Real image is on the front side of the mirror, which may or may not be in front or behind you, depending upon what the object is. So, plugging in 30 for S over there, S prime is negative 120. Means our image is over here, 120 centimeters from the mirror. That's what that means. So negative S prime puts the image, it's virtual, and it puts it behind the mirror. Other questions?
Yes.
Yeah.
So at the focal point, is it blurry because of interference between?
No, it's just blurry because none of the light converges, nor does it appear to converge. So basically, all the light's parallel to each other. It never converges at all. So you see all the light, it just doesn't form any nice image.
So they're integrated just flat or you kind of see yourself in that 3D.
Yeah. I mean, you can see kind of the general colors that you're made of,
Yeah.
but there's no nice crisp lines of any sort.
I have one more question.
Yeah.
So past the focal point, so anything over 40 centimeters would be a smaller image.
Not necessarily smaller. It will be a real image.
It'll be a real image. Not as, oh, it's past the R.
Right.
radius is-
So outside of 80 centimeters, it would be smaller.
Okay.
Between 80 centimeters and 40 centimeters will be bigger.
And then you get the fuzzy point at the focal.
So at 40 centimeters, it's all blurry.
And then anything inside of that, the image is bigger.
Correct. And it's upright.